I got into tech at a very young age, I'll be honest. I think I was relatively, let's say, 6 years old when I started using a computer.
My first project was a website for a tourism company.
I was an electronics engineering student.
I was studying microbiology.
I started coding officially in 2003.
The first program I wrote at then was a timetable reminder.
The first language I wrote was C# when I was in school.
The first thing I wrote was a clock, a wall clock.
Generally, we use technology to solve problems, not to create hype.
The first programming language that I was taught in school was called Zojo. So most people have never heard about this language. It's rarely used anymore.
Technology gives you the capacity to build stuff without fearing anything.
Coding has given me participate in building the world and making everything better.
Programming is something I can do even if I'm not being paid for, because there's that love.
You can tackle any kind of the issues with tech.
So apart from the programs we wrote, for the courses at school, we realized that we could build simple games.
One of the key things that has kept me right in this field is the fact that I can create things that people can use, that can solve people's problems.
There's always going to be solutions, innovative solutions that, if you take your time, you sit down and analyze your problem, you always find innovative solutions to solve them. Now, it's not a matter of you putting them solution into technology and, marketing that technology.
Makes you do things and make them available for other people to use as well. So coding is just what everybody needs. It's not for specific type of people.
In today's world, everything is revolving around technology. You don't want to be that person who doesn't have an understanding, at least a basic understanding of technology.
My 3-year-old daughter, teaching her to write code, so that it becomes part of her as she's growing up. Because eventually, in every field, whether military, whether medicine, code will rule. Even the machine inventor is code.
I believe you should have at least a basic understanding of technology and actually learn codes, right? In the long run, it will help you.
What AltSchool is doing here, it's actually a good thing, because they are going to bring the necessary structure that is required to transfer that knowledge.
You need that organization at the earlier stage of your career, because it's easy to get lost.
It's a very, very good platform for learning and improving yourself too, right? With the structure, with the guide, because that is what a lot of people miss.
There are tons of things online, good knowledge, bad knowledge, those that won't help you, those that are false. And then because you're starting out on your own, you just tend up to grasp anything that you see that looks flashy, only for you to spend a lot of time wasted not learning anything.
So AltSchool is a great initiative, and I believe that it will actually help people come from that period of naivety and having to ensure that they are able to move into tech.
Some people who have gone through the phase you want to start, and they know what works and what doesn't, and they've structured a curriculum out for you to follow.
Now with AltSchool, we're looking at how we can bring in as many people all across Africa, across the world, into a structured online learning program, which also has a bit of physical learning.
The future and everything that we have right now is tilted towards technology, right? Everything is tilted towards the digital age.
It's a good option. It's something I would recommend anybody who is trying to get into tech to follow.
I've seen a lot of developers that have gone to different academies. I've tried to recruit some of them, and I noticed that they don't have the foundation that is required to solve problems in this particular industry. So I think AltSchool will bridge that gap.
It takes a little bit of time to get to become a world-class engineer, but we're trying to see how we can expedite that process for you, and also see how we are giving you the best opportunity possible.
You can only go so far by yourself. You need people to hold your hands, and if I had had that opportunity, I probably would have gotten to where I wanted to get to faster.
At the end of the program, you get access to a diploma in software engineering. This could be in back-end, front-end, or cloud engineering. The world is looking for more opportunities, more African talent, and we are here to see how we can make you be that person. Join AltSchool. Thank you.
I have one problem, right, I believe there are 1,000,001 people that have that problem. And if I create a solution for myself, it means that 1,000,001 people out there that will require that solution.